Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel Steam Mechanical. Today, I take as my topic different form of Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so most of the students are basically well known about a single form of Bernoulli's equation, which is nothing but in terms of head. Okay, so today I will be show here total three types of form of Bernoulli's equation is possible. So let's go to the point of discussion without waste of time. First one, as we know, there is a dp by rho plus v dv plus g dz is equal to 0. This is basically known as a Euler's equation. Okay, this is basically known as a Euler's equation. Okay, so how will we get the Bernoulli's equation from Euler's equation? If we integrate this Euler's equation, then we will be get the Bernoulli's equation. So let's perform the integration. So integrate dp by rho plus integration of v dv plus integration of g dz is equal to integration of 0. Now dp by rho, after integration it will be p by rho plus v, integration of v will be v square by 2 plus z z, integration of 0 will be constant. Okay, so this is basically known as the Bernoulli's equation. Okay, this is basically a Bernoulli's equation. Now let's take a look of first form of Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so first form. Okay, now basically first form of Bernoulli's equation is nothing but this one. So if I write it here once again, p by rho v square by 2 plus zz is equal to constant. Now we have to confirm that basically in terms of which we are write down this equation. So as we know, kinematic energy is written as a half of m v square. Am I right? Similarly, potential energy can be written as a mgh. So if you compare this kinematic energy here, whatever the term is v square by 2, similarly potential energy with this term gz, then you can simply say that how we can get this v square by 2. If I write this kinematic energy per unit mass, okay, if I write down this kinematic energy per unit mass, then I will be get half into v square. Am I right? So we can say this is the form of Bernoulli's equation, basically energy per unit mass. Okay, this is the form of Bernoulli's equation as the energy per unit mass. So this is the first form of Bernoulli's equation. Next, take the second form. Okay, second form of Bernoulli's equation. Second form of Bernoulli's equation. Now this is our Bernoulli's equation. If we divide this total term by g, okay, let's perform the division. P by rho g plus v square by 2g plus actually gz by g, so g cancel out, only z will be there, and here constant by something will be constant. So again, if you are take a look that already we have kinetic energy as a half of mv square. If you write down kinematic energy in terms of mass, then we are get half of v square. Again, if you try to write it just by dividing g, m into g, you will be get v square by 2g. Similarly, this term and this terms also you can check. So basically, in which form you are write down this? You can say mass into gravitational acceleration g. This g is basically weight. We are known weight is equal to m into g. Okay, so you can say this is the form of Bernoulli's equation in terms of per unit weight. Okay, so you can write down this one as a energy per unit weight. Now once again, As we know, energy per unit weight can be written as a head. Okay, can be written as a head. So we can write down that this is the form P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus z is equal to constant, basically written as a energy per unit weight or in the form of head. And as you know, this is the basically most important and maximum time we are used in the our in all here application of fluid mechanics. We are using this form of Bernoulli's equation. Next, take a look of third form. Okay, third form. Now let's take a look in the third form of Bernoulli's equation. So we have P by rho plus V square by 2 plus Gz is equal to C as a common form of the Bernoulli's equation. If you multiply by rho in the numerator, then this form will become as a P into rho by rho. So rho get cancelled out, only P plus V square into rho by 2 plus rho z z is equal to constant. Am I right? So already we have this d square by 2 in terms of per unit mass. Again, if you multiply it by density rho, then this will be in terms of volume. So we can say this is the form of Bernoulli's equation per unit volume. Okay, so energy per unit volume. So here in this video we are show that there is a three form of Bernoulli's equation: first form, second form and third form. In first form, basically this is energy per unit mass, second form is basically energy per unit weight, and third form is basically energy per unit volume. Among these three form, this second form, which is energy per unit weight, is really important, and we are basically use this second form most of the time. So if you find that this video is helpful for you, then please help me to grow in this field. Thank you.